Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard here from Bikepacking Adventures, out on the bike on a bikepacking adventure with Tom Stringer. We've been doing we're in the middle, a third of the way through a 200-kilometre ride called the hardest 200 in the Lincolnshire Wolds. Just wanted to update you really on the progress of my Coros Dura. So last time I went out for a ride, it was at 13% battery life and I'd done 820 kilometres. Shall we find out how much is left? Take a look. Oh, hold on. So take a look at the screen. There's 80% left. So if we take away, what did I say earlier? 13%, and it started at 89. So got about 4% battery life left. And today's ride we've so far done 60k, I think it is. No, 71 kilometres. So 71 plus 891 kilometres on a single charge. That is crazy. What do you think, Tom?
I think it's crazy as well. It is good though,
what
isn't
is it? Nearly 600. Getting close to 600 miles.
One charge.
Yeah. I worked it out the other day. I put a post up on Instagram. 30%. Just literally under 30% of that has been gravel off road. So
it's amazing what I can do, isn't it?
So probably on the road, you can probably push 1200 kilometres, which is insane off a single battery life. So, but we're not doing it anywhere near that amount of distance today. We're doing 200 kilometres. How's your legs faring so far?
My legs are fine. I've been, as you know, I've been watching my knee because last time when we did this, my knee gave out quite a bit back actually, so taking it nice and easy on the climbs, and I'm finding my knees are absolutely fine. It's my back which is giving me jip at the moment.
I'll give you some paracetamol to make you feel a bit better.
It's just I'm just trying to keep moving to make sure I don't seize up, because I know if I seize up,
we'll get going in a minute. We'll just stop for lunch really. I was going to record the ride, but I was having a bit of microphone problems. Bought a new mic and I can't seem to get things connected, so I just thought I'd have a quick short video update about the Coros really. And how's yours going?
It's fine. I've been actually, because I've charged mine of course, so I was on what, 99%, and let's see, does it actually tell me how much we've got left on this?
Yeah, I think you have to tap it on the map screen, won't you? And it'll come up in the corner.
89, so I've used 10%.
But it's been
slow.
And even if you do the simple maths and go 70k times 10, so that's 700k, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true.
It's incredible battery life.
It's true. It's lasting longer than me, I can tell you that.
You'll be fine. Tom's going to see how far you can get round, and I'm not too bothered when I finish it. So I'm just here for moral support. He's got big challenges next year, so he needs to kick up the ass.
You know, if I fail to get round this time, I mean, obviously I've been looking at the route and I'm looking at escape routes, and I'm like,
he started very early going, where can we escape?
This route, I don't know if you can see that, but
yeah, it's
we're there.
Yep.
And obviously we're going to go up and down, but we've got a nice long all the way, and I thought Binbrook is perfect for me because that'll be, what do you reckon, about another 15 miles?
Yeah. And if you look at beyond Binbrook as well, look here, there's another cut.
That's true.
Brockenby as well. There's multiple.
So if I'm feeling still able on Binbrook, then obviously round and see how it gets to there, and then at least I've got a route back, I think. Yeah. So we'll see.
Because so far we've done it's approaching 1,000 meters of climbing in the first 70k, so it's kind of quite loaded in the front, isn't it, with the hills.
For me, it's perfect training. The only way you can get better is by failing.
Yeah,
I think that's the only way to do it. I mean, this is my
and to be honest, this is called the hardest 200 in the Lincolnshire Wolds. So you only got yourself to blame.
Well, I like it here because, I mean, where we are at the moment,
it's quiet.
We can you can park for free, which is bonus, and it seems to be quite safe. Touch
yep.
Wood. And this is my second attempt, and I've already got furthest, so I'm already winning. If I fail this one, which it looks like I might do, I'm going to come back again and do it.
Yeah.
And whether I'm with you or not, I don't know, but I'll be. I'll be picking up the pace, I think, on this.
I think see if you can ride into the dark on this one, or come back on the dark.
I've got my lights.
You've got your lights. It would be a shame to come here without any.
I've got my lights and
not using them.
I'm looking forward to testing. I mean, we've got about 4 hours? No, 3 hours and a bit of daylight, haven't we?
That's it. Yeah, we're probably going to have about 3 hours in the dark as well. So
one thing I do hate You know, coming down here when the sun was to the side of to the left of you.
Yeah.
And you get the strobe effect from the bushes.
Yeah, through the fences and things.
Drives me crackers. I'm like, poor chaps what have got like, you know, proper epilepsy and stuff like that.
Yeah,
there must be
that's it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, I can tell you the Coros got down to 2%, and I've done 910. I'll pop the exact number in the corner screen. 910 kilometres, and ride over with. Not quite finished. Probably see it's a bit of daylight because I kind of had a bit of accident on the bike and twisted my ankle. So just cut the ride short, unfortunately. But there we go. Live to see another day. If you do fancy doing this route, there'll be a link down in the description below. And you know, go check it out. Okay, let's see if we can do it in one take. A few weeks earlier. It's described on Strava as the hardest 200 in Lincolnshire. If you've never been to the Lincolnshire Wolds, what is Lincolnshire? Not flats is the answer.
Yeah, somebody say.